Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to see how we can install themes on our WordPress website. So in the last video we have seen how we can install WordPress on our domain name, and I have guided you step by step throughout the process. And if you haven't watched that video, so make sure to watch that video before proceeding further. Link will be in the description box and I button as well. So now let's proceed further and see how we can install themes on our WordPress website. Installing theme is a quite simple process. What you need to do, you need to go to your website, just type your website URL and then hit /wp-admin in front of your website URL. Hit enter, fill the login details, and then we will reach to our backend. And here, if I scroll my cursor over here and if I click over visit site, we can see this. Currently our website is having this default theme which says hello world, welcome to WordPress, and it looks something like this. Obviously this theme is a little bit old fashioned and we want to customize this theme and make it more beautiful. So how we can do that? We need to just go to our backend again. And here you will have appearance. Just hover your cursor over here and then we will have here themes. So if I click here, I will reach to this window. So if I scroll down, you can see here we have few other themes also here. So if I click here and let's suppose I want this theme to be enabled in my WordPress website. If I click here over activate, and now if I see my website again, let me just refresh this page. You can see my website look is now changed. So it will look something like this. And now if I go to my backend again and let's suppose I want to have this theme here. So if I click over activate and if I go to my website again, let me just refresh this page. You can see here my website look is now changed. So apart from these, we have various others option also. So if I go on the top, we have here add new in front of themes. So if I click here and I scroll down, we have here a lots of theme available, and according to our wishes we can choose anyone and enable that theme on our WordPress website. So let's suppose I want this one here. So if I want to preview this theme, we need to just click over this option that is detail and preview. Otherwise we can just click over here as well. So if I click here, I can have a look how this theme will look on my WordPress website. So if I want to install this theme, I can just directly do it from here. So if I click over here and after installing, we will activate this theme. So I will click over activate, and then if I go to my website again and I refresh this page, you can see here my website look is now changed. And now if I go to my backend again and I click over add new, I can also search a different theme by its name with the help of this search bar. So if I click here and let's suppose I want to search here for Astra theme. So I'll type here ASTRA and then I'll press enter. So you can see here I have two options. One is this one and then we have this one here. So now let's suppose I want to install this Astra theme. So I'll click over preview first and let me just show you how it will look on your WordPress website. And then if I click over install, you can see here this is a very beautiful theme rated by over 4,916 people, and it also have a 5-star rating. So it's definitely a good option for your WordPress website. And now let me just press over activate, and if I see my website again, let me just refresh this page. You can see my website will look like this. We have a right hand sidebar here and then we have here our WordPress default post. So in this manner you can choose from a lots of themes available here in this WordPress for free. Also they have various paid versions available. If you want to buy paid version of Astra theme, you can also definitely go with that one, because that will offer you a wide range of extra opportunities that free version does not do. So this is how you can install WordPress theme. And also what you can do, if you have downloaded a theme offline into your computer and you want to use that theme and you don't want to use any of the theme here available online, so what you can do, you can just go to themes and then we have here add new. So if I click here over add new, you can see here we are having this option that is upload theme. So if I click here I need to simply drag and drop that zip file here and then just click over install. It's just a simple process. If you face any difficulties with this, let me know in the comment section down below. I will definitely make sure to solve your issues as soon as possible. So that's it for now. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel for more upcoming WordPress related content. Until then, take care. Bye bye.